The journey of luxury perfume begins in fields of delicate flowers.
These petals hold the essence of future perfume.
Flowers are gathered quickly to preserve their perfume quality.
Massive fields supply raw materials for perfume production. The harvested flowers begin their journey into perfume processing.
Different flowers create unique perfume fragrances.
The process now moves into extraction for perfume creation. Fresh flowers arrive quickly at the perfume facility.
Speed is essential to preserve the fragrance for perfume.
Automated systems move flowers through the perfume facility.
Each flower is sorted for specific perfume blends.
Only the finest flowers are selected for perfume.
Imperfect materials are removed to ensure pure perfume.
The flowers are now ready for extraction in perfume production.
The process now moves into extraction for perfume creation. The prepared flowers enter the extraction stage of perfume production.
Steam distillation begins releasing the essence of perfume. The vapor condenses into concentrated perfume extract.
Advanced methods capture even the most delicate perfume aromas.
The pure essence of perfume begins to take form.
The pressure looks stable now. Check the flow rate.
Flow rate is optimal and the color yield is excellent on this batch.
The extracted essence becomes the foundation of perfume.
The process now moves into refinement and distillation of perfume.
The extracted essence enters refinement in perfume production.
Distillation separates the layers of perfume aroma. Condensation refines the purest elements of perfume. Precise temperature control defines the quality of perfume.
The refined perfume essence reaches its purest form. The refined essence is prepared for blending into perfume.
We are maintaining 110 degrees Celsius. The separation is crucial here.
And the sample smells pure. I log the sensory data now.
The process now moves into blending the perfume.
The art of perfume begins with blending refined ingredients.
Master perfumers carefully select notes for each perfume. Every drop contributes to the complexity of perfume.
Different layers combine to create a unique perfume identity.
It's quite close, perhaps a touch more sandalwood.
Yes, I see what you mean. It needs that warmth.
Yeah. Multiple variations are refined to perfect the perfume.
The final formula defines the signature perfume. The process now moves into aging and maturation of perfume. The blended perfume enters the aging stage.
Perfume is stored under precise conditions to mature.
Time allows the perfume to develop depth and harmony.
Environmental control ensures consistent perfume quality.
Environmental control ensures consistent perfume quality. The perfume develops its final character during aging. The matured perfume is now ready for bottling.
The process now moves into bottling of perfume.
The matured perfume enters the bottling stage.
Elegant bottles are prepared to hold the perfume.
Each bottle is filled with precision perfume volume.
The perfume shines like liquid gold inside each bottle.
Each perfume bottle is sealed for preservation.
Branding defines the identity of each perfume. Each perfume bottle is inspected before packaging. The process now moves into packaging and distribution of perfume.
The finished perfume is packaged in luxury presentation boxes.
Each perfume package is prepared for global distribution.
Perfume reaches boutiques and luxury retailers worldwide.
From delicate flowers to liquid gold, perfume defines the art of luxury.